Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Lexus ES 350 faster. We'll start with some fundamental steps that can significantly impact your vehicle's responsiveness. First, ensure your engine breathes freely by regularly replacing your air filter. A clean one makes a big difference. Next, fresh spark plugs ensure efficient fuel burn, giving you more power. Finally, maintaining correct tire pressure, typically around 32 to 35 pounds per square inch, reduces drag and helps your car feel quicker off the line. Moving beyond basic maintenance, let's talk about enhancing your engine's ability to inhale and exhale. A performance cold air intake system can deliver cooler, denser air to your engine, potentially adding 5 to 10 horsepower. Pair this with an upgraded exhaust system, which reduces back pressure and allows exhaust gases to exit more freely. Together, these two modifications significantly improve engine efficiency and can provide a satisfying boost in both power and the car's acoustic presence. For a more substantial power increase, consider an engine control unit, or ECU, tune. This involves reprogramming your car's computer to optimize parameters like fuel delivery, ignition timing, and boost pressure, if applicable. A professional tune can unlock an additional 15 to 25 horsepower and torque, making your ES 350 feel much more lively. It provides a smoother power delivery and a more immediate throttle response, transforming the driving experience without major hardware changes. Finally, let's look at how your wheels and tires can make a difference. Swapping to lighter aftermarket wheels reduces unsprung weight, which means your engine has less rotational mass to move, improving acceleration and braking. Combine this with high-performance tires, which offer superior grip, especially during launches and cornering. Better traction ensures more of your engine's power is transferred to the road, making your Lexus ES 350 feel more agile and responsive in every driving situation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.